Alright, so today we're doing a review of the Spicy McChicken. So, you can see that it's a chicken sandwich with lettuce and Thousand Island dressing on it. I think that kind of got mixed up with something else, but
Is it
I personally
like they have it
am
on?
not overwhelmed by like the level of spice to it. And I think the spice comes from the chicken itself that's coated in something spicy.
I get
So
this on.
we'll try it. We'll try it and see how it goes. So the spice slowly creeps up on you when you take a bite. Like, it doesn't start out too spicy, but then it gradually builds and builds. So I would say if you're not accustomed to spice, I would say have a drink nearby, whether that be a milk or orange juice, to sort of tame that spice level. Yeah, overall, I wish the piece of chicken was a little bigger that you got, but I suppose they need to fit it on this small bun. I would say treat yourself to it once or twice a week. If you're feeling adventurous, yeah, the Spicy McChicken is for you. I don't think it's a daily driver. I'd like to rotate through the McDonald's menu. Big Mac, McChicken, quarter pounder with cheese, double cheeseburger. That's kind of... Looks like chicken is the spice of life. So hit that like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want to see more McDonald's secret menu items. And I'll see you next time.